You now have a small bug. When you try to access a property of an object and the property does not exist, you get undefined. This means if the dessert isn't already present in the total count per product object, you end up trying to add 1 to undefined, which results a not a number, NaN. To fix this, you can use the OR operator to set the value to 0. If it does not exist, wrap your right hand, this mean, it's referring to this part, wrap your right hand total count per product dessert.id in parentheses. So we wrap it parentheses just before adding by 1 and add an OR operator and a 0 to the end of the expression. So it's inside the parentheses and the OR operator and 0. So let's take a step back and review what we have done. So originally we only have this one, correct? Mm. We only have the object total count per product and its corresponding dessert and ID property added by 1. Well, currently it does not exist, as the instruction says. So we are adding 1 to undefined, or in other words, not a number. And that would be a problem to our program. To solve that problem is to add a OR operator and then a 0. That would mean if JavaScript does not found or does not find a total or does not find a dessert with this corresponding ID, it would take 0 added by 1, essentially bypassing or catching the problem, which is 1 adding to an undefined because JavaScript was not able to find this part. So I hope you get that right and that solves it. Nice.